Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I've got a really exciting video. This is like unexpectedly filming. I've got a barbecue, but this has just come and I just needed to share this with you. So you guys excuse how I look. Inside this is basically you know, I did that makeup competition for Plouise where you had to get 10,000 likes on your picture on Instagram in 7 days. Yeah, you had 7 days, but I was 2 days late, so I had 5 days to do it. Did it with the help of you guys and everybody on Instagram, and the prize has just come, and I know it's a prize because it says recreation competition winner. So I just thought I would unbox it with you guys. So I need some scissors. So excited. It's been nearly a month. Actually, it's been over a month. The competition was on the 16th and it's now the 18th of July. So I've been waiting a long time for this. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna have to go for one. I can't get into it. First box first. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so first off we have got, oh my god, this is the bases. So for eyeshadow bases, Plouise. Oh my god, I've literally got, you guys can't even see, every single colour base shade. Oh my god. You know, like for my kit, for my makeup kit, this is just gonna change the game. Okay, so I have every single shade in the Plouise base. I'm gonna lay it all out so then I can photograph it after for you. Okay, so I've got every single shade base. Then in the next, oh my god, this is what I'm so excited about these. Oh my god, it is the basic. All the colours. Oh my god. Ah! I'm gonna wait, let me just line them all up. Oh my goodness. I can't hold them all. So you've got all of these shade that are like the basic things. So basically these are like the bases, but you can use them as eyeliner, you can use them as eyeshadow, like they blend out. You can literally use them for everything. You know when things are just going to change your makeup game? This is it. Oh my god. All these pastel ones. I can't believe I've got all of this. Okay, oh my god. So next up we've got, this is brand new, this is literally just launched. Can we talk about the packaging? So these are the little bags that all of that came in. How cute. Right, can we just talk about this packaging? So these are those eyeshadow palettes. This is called the Plouise. I don't even want to rip it open, but I'm gonna have to. The packaging is a joke. Plouise sandwich stages. Your blends should have layers. We've got you. Nutritional Facts, 16 shades, 95 grams sass, 100% fierce, 70 grams sauce. This one sandwich will fulfill all of your daily needs. Oh baby, you're looking like a snack. The dream foursome, simply irresistible. And then it's like sandwich stages, 100% guilt-free. Best ingredients: half a teaspoon of hustle, a pinch of faith, a tablespoon of class, 3/4 cup of determination. Storage: keep on your makeup station. Warning: once placed onto the eyes, you turn into a red hot bitch. Current status: single taken, hungry as fuck. The packaging is a joke. Bon appetit, bitch. You're starving for stardom. Honestly. And then basically you open it. Oh my god. Like an actual sandwich. And then you've got the 4 eyeshadow palettes inside. So the first one has got these shades. The next one looks like this, and it has got these. I can't wait to swatch all of this. The next one, look, that's got like, oh, I didn't even realise, that's like cheese. And then that's like lettuce and tomatoes. Got pastels. And then this is the bread. Shimmers. But it's just such a good idea, isn't it? And then when it's like this, it looks like a sandwich. Right, oh my god, there's still so much more. Okay, so next up, important hot property. It's even got a wax stamp on it. Oh, these are the metallic bases. Oh my god. You've got like a silver, a bronze, a gold, and like a, I'm pretty sure, oh, it's like a grey, like a granity grey. I want to swatch them. Oh my god. These are so nice. Look at them. There is still so much in here. Like, I can't tell you how I'm feeling right now. Okay, so next up, brow. This is brand new as well. So it's the brows, but it comes in like a actual cup that you can use. This is Mocha Chino, so browtiful. And then you've got your brow shades in here. I'm hoping that's going to be my colour. So you obviously get the brow pencil with a little spoolie, and then you get your brow gel as well. But I've seen that Plouise has been like dispersing some of it. Also, look how much brow gel you get. Dispersing some of this on her hand, and then drawing brow hairs with it, like with a little brush. Oh my god, it's so exciting. So we've got all of the Acid Rain. Oh my god. So these are the Mitchell and Plouise collection, the Acid Rains. These are like bases as well. Oh my god. I feel like I just need to... Can we just talk about the packaging? Can we just talk about the packaging? It's insane. So these are like bases again. Oh my god, I'm having too much fun. These blend out like eyeshadows as well because they've got talc in them. So I've got all of the Acid Rain collection. So you've got like purple, like a reddy pink, a brighter pink, a turquoise, and like a darker purple. Oh my god. And you've also got the blank canvas, which I have wanted to get my hands on for so long. So I'm so glad I've got that now. We've also got one of her crisp finishes. So this actually comes in a crisp bag, like a legitimate crisp bag. And it's the blue shade. I do really want to get my hands on the tan one of these because the tan one looks insane. And again, it's like a flavour, sexy chili. Note to oneself, only to be sold solo. I'm an independent product providing 100% flavour. Caution, these cut creases may contain sharp edges. I actually love this. So, oh, it doesn't open like a normal packet of crisps. So in this you get the paint. Oh, let's have a little swatch. Go on then. Ooh, 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 ooh. I can't wait to use all of these. And then you've got the brush that comes with it as well, which is like the most perfect brush for carving out a crease or anything, and like a brow. And then we've also got a diary of secrets, protect at all costs. This contains my secret rules to success. Oh look, you can fill out like I am grateful for, the good heart always wins. Like you can fill it out. Bucket list, we got this. And then when you turn, oh look, self-care checklist. Be your own, like take a look in the mirror, babe. Fix that crown, work on you. It's time to make yourself priority. And it's a little mirror. The packaging is a joke, and this is all for her brushes, and those brushes look insane. Like a cut crease, you've got a brush for the eye, which is this one. You've got a contour brush, which is this middle one, which take that little, oh my god, that is so soft. Snatch those cheeks. And then you've also got like a flat shader brush that will be good for like cutting the crease, carving out the brow, patting in that base. Pat, pat, pat. Wow, I just can't believe this packaging. It's madness. And that was all in Plouise Dishing the Dirt. Okay, and then next in this other box, oh my god, look at the size of that. This is the Love Tapes eyeshadow palette. Oh my god. Prepare to embark on the brightest love affair. Plouise Love Tapes. And in the shadows, I found beauty within. Your love story has just begun, babe. Every time I'm reading all of this, I can hear her say it in her like lovely soft voice. Right. Oh my god. Christmas is well and truly come early. Look at that. Happily ever after. Handle with care, babe. This tape is extremely fragile. And then when you open it, you have got the eyeshadow palette in the middle and 2 highlighter shades. Swatchy, shall we? Right, this is the, oh, that's smooth. This is the highlighter, Happily Ever After. That is one shade. Not that you can see it. And then this is Once Upon a Time. I don't have any fingers that haven't been, oh my god, that doesn't do it justice. God, my camera's gonna die, but I'm gonna insert a picture of the whole collection and obviously it'll be on the thumbnail. But oh my god, I'm so grateful for all of this. It wouldn't have been possible without your support, so thank you so much, and I will love and leave you. But don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button and the notification bell so you never miss an upload from me, and follow me over my Instagram. And I love you all so much. Thank you so much for making stuff like this possible. I never thought I would get 10k likes on a picture, and I managed to do it. And just, this is going to help me so much with like makeup appointments, and I'm so grateful and excited. And thank you so much to Plouise for being such a babe and being so generous and doing competitions like this, because it's just, I would never have been able to afford all of this, like no way. So I'm just honestly over the moon. I can't wait to just sit down and play.